Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're in the office and we're going over safety recalls. So, within the last 48 hours, Nissan has issued a recall for over 440,000 vehicles. So, is your vehicle impacted? Let's talk about it. Before we get started, please smash the subscribe button. Helps my small channel out as we grow. Thumbs up, notification bell, and I have tons of Nissan videos over there. So, if you're a Nissan or Infiniti person, head on over there and check those videos out. Subscribing is free to do. So let's get into it, guys. A recall basically can come out from a manufacturer for non-compliance, which would be, a conformity issue when it comes to NHTSA, National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. It can also be because it's a courtesy one, just for like a software update. It has nothing to do with safety. It's just kind of making the system work better. And you can also have emissions recalls. So keep that in mind. Now, recalls are always free to get fixed, and typically, as long as they're safety recalls, they're good for every owner of that vehicle from the time it was manufactured till the time it goes to the junkyard. So we're going to talk about the new one. So 440,000 vehicles are being recalled due to potential engine failure. So the recall number is 25, V as in Victor 437, includes 21 to 24 Rogue, 2019 to 20 Altima, 19 to 22 Infiniti QX50, and 22 Infiniti QX55. These vehicles have the 1.5 cylinder, 1.5 liter, or the 4-cylinder 2.0 liter variable compression engines. Basically, they're saying that they found out that the engine bearings may have been manufactured with defects that can lead to engine failure. And NHTSA basically says that when an engine fails, which I think we all notice, it could obviously have the loss of power, but where you're driving or whatever could lead to an incident of a crash. As of now, they don't have any reports of injuries or anything like that, so that's a bonus. We want everybody to be safe out there. Now, you might be thinking, wow, I got one of these years of the vehicles. Well, the most common one, and this is the highest selling vehicle for Nissan, is the Nissan Rogue. So the 21 to 24, 348,554 vehicles. And then it goes down from there because Infiniti obviously is their top end vehicle. They have 84,000 of the QX50 being recalled, 5,000 Altimas, which is not a surprise because the Altima sells a small version of most everybody's buying SUVs. And the QX55, 5,000. So basically what Nissan's going to do the fix, if your vehicle is part of that, is they're going to take your vehicle in and they're going to check the oil pan for metal debris and or replace or repair the engine for free. So this is good. So say you had engine problems and you've already fixed it and your vehicle then falls into this recall category, you may be able to talk with Nissan and see about getting some of that compensation back. So vehicles with a 3-cylinder 1.5 VC turbo, if no debris is found, the dealers will replace your oil pan, gasket, engine oil, and reprogram the engine control module to watch out for those potential coming issues. And then the ones with the 4-cylinder 2.0 VC turbo, if no debris is found, they will change the oil. Now, if they do find substantial issues with debris and stuff like that, they will replace the engine free of charge. Again, it has to fall into that category. Here's the catch. Nissan's going to actually start notifying people and dealers on August 25th, so we're a little bit away from that. I will link the actual recall number, telephone number, and everything for NHTSA down below, and the Nissan customer service. So if you have one of these vehicles and you're experiencing some type of concern, you can always reach out to them. I will also link NHTSA's website down below. It is easy, it is safe, and it's free to do. You can go plug in your license plate and or VIN, and you can actually check and see if your vehicle, any vehicle you own in your driveway, currently has a recall. Now again, typically as long as it's a safety concern, you will be covered to get that done even if you're not the original owner of that vehicle. And as a vehicle owner, it's very important that you make sure you stay up to date on your vehicle's only maintenance, but also your recalls. I would encourage you guys to go out every 1 or 2, 3 months, 6 months and check it, especially if you have a newer vehicle, because there's a lot of recalls that come out as these vehicles kind of work their way, especially if it's a newer model or a newer generation of that model. It'll keep you up to date onto that, especially to keep you guys safe. At Automotive Inc., we want everybody to be safe out there. And guys, I'm going to catch you on the next one.